Imagine we're standing into the land of the rising sun, Japan. Surrounded by neon lights and bustling crowds, knowing that every adventure, every mouth-watering bite of sushi, and every hidden temple you're about to uncover won't break the bank. Picture yourself navigating the serene streets of Kyoto, discovering secret spots only locals know, all while keeping your wallet happy. In this journey through Japan, I'm going to take you off the beaten path, showing you how to experience the magic of this incredible country on a budget. Now, I know what you're thinking. Japan on a budget? Is that even possible? Well, my friends, I'm here to tell you that it absolutely is. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through this fascinating country without breaking the bank. Japan is a country of contrasts, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with cutting-edge technology. From the neon-lit streets of Tokyo to the tranquil gardens of Kyoto, there's something here for everyone. And the best part, you can experience it all without emptying your wallet. So let's dive into our top tips and hidden gems for exploring Japan on a budget. Timing is everything. When it comes to budget travel in Japan, choosing the right time to visit can make a huge difference. While the cherry blossom season is undoubtedly beautiful, it's also the most expensive time to visit. Instead, consider these budget-friendly alternatives. Late autumn, you'll catch the stunning fall colors without the peak season prices. Early spring, just before cherry blossom season, you'll find lower prices and fewer crowds. Winter. If you don't mind the cold, you'll enjoy the lowest prices and magical snow scenes, especially in northern Japan. Avoid Golden Week in early May and Obon in mid-August. These are major holiday periods in Japan when prices skyrocket and everything gets booked up. Transportation hacks. Now, let's talk about getting around. Japan's transportation system is world-renowned for its efficiency, but it can also be pretty expensive if you're not careful. Let's discuss some money-saving tricks. Japan Rail Pass. If you're planning to cover a lot of ground, this pass can be a game changer. It gives you unlimited access to JR trains, including most Shinkansen, for a fixed price. But here's the catch. You need to buy it before entering Japan. Regional passes. If you're focusing on a specific area, look into regional passes. For example, the Kansai Through Pass is perfect for exploring Osaka, Kyoto, and Nara. Overnight for longer journeys. Consider taking an overnight bus. It's cheaper than the train and saves you a night of accommodation. Rent a bike. In many cities, especially Kyoto, renting a bike is an affordable and fun way to explore. Hidden gem alert. In Tokyo, take advantage of the Toei one-day pass. For just 800 yen, you get unlimited rides on Toei subways, buses, and even the charming Toden Arakawa tram line. A great way to see a different side of the city. Budget-friendly accommodation. Alright, let's talk about where to rest your head without emptying your wallet. Japan has some unique and affordable options. Capsule hotels. These futuristic sleeping pods are a uniquely Japanese experience and often cheaper than regular hotels. Manga cafes. Originally designed for reading comics, many now offer overnight stays with showers and unlimited drinks. Business hotels. No frills but clean and comfortable. These are great for solo travelers or couples. Hostels. Japan's hostels are known for being exceptionally clean and well-maintained. Temple stays. For a truly unique experience, consider staying at a Buddhist temple. Many offer affordable lodging and the chance to participate in morning meditation. Hidden gem alert. Check out the Airbnb of Japan, Minpaku. These are local homes licensed for short-term stays, often in residential areas, giving you a taste of everyday Japanese life at a fraction of hotel costs. Eat like a local. Now, onto everyone's favorite topic, food. Japanese cuisine is world-renowned, and luckily, you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy it. Let's see some budget-friendly dining options. Conveyor belt sushi. Affordable and fun, these restaurants let you pick plates as they pass by on a conveyor belt. Ramen shops. A hearty bowl of ramen is not only delicious, but also easy on the wallet. Izakayas. These Japanese pubs offer small, shareable plates at reasonable prices. Convenience stores. Don't laugh. Japanese konbini have surprisingly good quality meals and snacks at unbeatable prices. Department store basements. Known as depachika, these food halls offer an array of delicious takeaway options. Look for Tishaku, set meals at local restaurants. These typically include a main dish, rice, miso soup, and sides, all for a fixed, affordable price. Hidden gem alert. Seek out shokudo, casual, cafeteria-style restaurants often found near universities or office areas. They serve hearty, home-style Japanese meals at very reasonable prices. Free and low-cost attractions. Believe it or not, some of Japan's best experiences won't cost you a yen. Let's discuss about some low-cost attractions. Tokyo's Tsukuji Outer Market. While the famous tuna auction has moved, the outer market is still a feast for the senses, and it's free to explore. Fushimi Inari Shrine in Kyoto. Walk through thousands of vermilion torii gates without spending a dime. Osaka Castle Park. While there's a fee to enter the castle keep, the surrounding park is free and beautiful, especially during cherry blossom season. Meiji Shrine in Tokyo. This serene shrine surrounded by forest is a free oasis in the bustling city. Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. A sobering but important visit. The outdoor areas are free to explore. Hidden gem alert. Check out the Yanaka district in Tokyo. This charming old neighborhood escaped much of the WWO tree bombing, preserving its traditional atmosphere. Stroll through its winding streets, visit small temples, and enjoy the local shitamachi culture, all for free. Embrace Japanese culture on a budget. Immersing yourself in Japanese culture doesn't have to be expensive. Let's discuss about some budget-friendly cultural experiences. Public bathhouses. For a few hundred yen, relax in communal baths, a quintessential Japanese experience. Free walking tours. Many cities offer free guided walks, led by volunteers. It's a great way to learn about local history and culture. Festival hopping. Japan has festivals year-round, many of which are free to attend. From traditional matsuri to modern pop culture events, there's always something happening. Visit during free admission days. Many museums and attractions offer free or discounted entry on certain days of the month. Participate in free cultural workshops. Some community centers and tourist information offices offer free workshops on things like origami or calligraphy. Hidden gem alert. Look out for nomihodai deals at izakayas. These all-you-can-drink specials can be great value if you're planning a night out with friends. Shopping smart. Want to bring home some souvenirs without overspending? Well, there is some shops over there as like 100 yen shops. These stores, similar to dollar stores, offer a wide range of products, including uniquely Japanese items. Don Quixote. This discount chain store is a treasure trove of quirky Japanese products at good prices. Flea markets. Cities like Tokyo and Kyoto have regular flea markets where you can find unique, second-hand items. Tax-free shopping. Look for tax-free signs in stores. As a tourist, you can often get the 10% consumption tax refunded on larger purchases. End-of-season sales. If you're visiting in January or July, you can catch some great bargains during Japan's biannual sale seasons. Hidden gem alert. Check out Fukubukuro or Lucky Bags if you're in Japan around New Year. Stores sell mystery bags filled with products at a significant discount. It's like a surprise gift to yourself. And there you have it, fellow budget travelers, your guide to exploring Japan without breaking the bank. From timing your visit right to finding hidden gems off the beaten path, you now have the tools to experience the best of Japan while keeping your wallet happy. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean missing out. Often, it leads to more authentic experiences and unexpected adventures. So embrace the challenge, immerse yourself in the culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Before we wrap up, here's one last bonus tip. Learn a few basic Japanese phrases. Not only is it respectful, but it can also lead to friendlier interactions and sometimes even discounts or freebies from appreciative locals. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Forever On for more budget travel tips from around the world. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest adventures. And now, I want to hear from you. Have you been to Japan? Do you have any budget tips or hidden gems to share? Drop them in the comments below. Let's help each other travel smarter. Until next time, this is Alex signing off. Remember, the world is waiting, and your budget doesn't have to hold